Hi, I'd like to tell you about our ultra-compact 35-watt automotive power supply, specifically designed for electric vehicles using 800-volt battery systems. This reference design features our InnoSwitch3-AQ from our Flyback switcher IC family. It uses our InSub28 package, providing a 5.1 mm distance between drain and source pins. Furthermore, this design only uses 56 electrical components, excluding input and output connectors. The design delivers 35 watts of output power at 85 degrees C ambient and 20 watts, going all the way up to 105 degrees C ambient. This design has greater than 91% efficiency at full load across the complete input voltage range from 200 to 1000 volts. And despite using a discrete transformer, this design maintains a very low profile of only 80 mm of height. This board serves a 24-volt output without the need of using a more expensive stacked winding approach. The transformer itself provides reinforced isolation at 1000 volts, and with this design we achieve accurate secondary side regulation, eliminating the need of octocouplers. This design also features comprehensive fault protection like output short circuit and current limiting. Current limiting, for instance, is achieved by simply adding this low-loss shunt resistor at the negative output rail. So, to recap, we have an ultra-compact automotive power supply featuring a low component count and a very slim profile. It delivers 35 watt of output power at 85 degrees Celsius and 20 watt, even up to 105 degrees Celsius. We have eliminated the need for octocouplers with accurate secondary side regulation, and it includes comprehensive fault protection. If you would like to try this reference design, please contact your local Power Integrations FAE or sales office for an evaluation kit. And for more information about our InnoSwitch3-AQ, please visit power.com.